No, it's your girl Maka. Today we are learning how to say family members in Igbo. Let's start. The first one is mother. Nne, mother. Inne. The next one is father. Nna, father. Nna. Next one is child. Mwa, child. Mwa. The next one is sibling. Wanne. Sibling. Wanne. The other one is husband. Ndi. Husband. Di. Next one is wife. Wunye. Wife. Wunye. And then grandma is mama unuku. Mama unuku. That's grandmother. And then grandpa is Papa Unuku. Papa Unuku, Grandpa. And then in-law, Ogo. And then, last but not least, is family. Ezina Olo. Family, Ezina Olo. That's all for today. Okay, Miss Ya. Stay blessed.